When should I challenge an unfair insurance policy amendment? Imagine paying for a policy that promises certain coverage, only to find out later that the terms have changed without your knowledge. That can be frustrating and unfair. Insurance companies are required to notify you in writing when they make changes to your policy. These changes should happen at the end of your policy period, not in the middle of your coverage. If they change the terms without proper notice, that is a red flag. You should challenge an amendment immediately if you discover it differs from what you originally agreed to or if you were not properly notified. This is especially important for Black communities and others who have faced unfair insurance practices. Being alert helps prevent claim denials based on altered, unauthorized terms. Don't wait until you need to file a claim to see if your policy has been changed unfairly. Regularly review your policy documents and compare current terms with your original agreement. If you notice discrepancies, contact your insurer right away for clarification. If the insurer made false statements about your coverage before you bought the policy, you might have grounds to challenge amendments based on fraud. Courts can change policies to match the true agreement if fraud or mutual mistake is proven. Start by carefully reviewing your policy documents. Note exactly what has changed, when you found out, and gather all related correspondence with your insurer. Keep records of every communication about the policy change. Reach out to your insurer and ask for a written explanation of why the amendment was made and why you were not properly notified. If their answer is unsatisfactory, speak with a supervisor. Request that the amendment be reversed or that your policy be restored to the original terms. If your insurer refuses to address your concerns, file a complaint with your state's Department of Insurance. These agencies investigate unfair practices and can requiring insurers to fix improper amendments. This step is especially helpful for community members who may not have the resources for legal action. You can also consider mediation or arbitration as alternatives to court. If necessary, you may pursue a lawsuit for breach of contract or bad faith. Courts can rework policies to reflect what was originally agreed upon if fraud or misconduct is involved. To support your case, you need clear evidence that the amendment was unfair or made without proper notice. An attorney can help gather this proof and guide you through the legal process. Always verify what your insurer tells you by reviewing your actual policy documents. Do not rely solely on what representatives say, as they work to protect the company's profits. Keep organized records of all communications and policy documents. This paper trail can be crucial if you need to dispute an unfair amendment. Taking quick action when you find an unfair change helps prevent claim denials and holds insurers accountable. Protecting your rights ensures your insurance coverage works as promised and keeps your family secure.